Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set online status on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, and here you will find set status. Click on it, and here as you see you will find online. Click on it, and that's it. That's how to set online status on your account on Discord, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.